You really can't beat it. Runs off batteries. Pictures to me seemed good enough, so. What's up? I don't have my regular camera. We're doing this on my phone, but today we are swapping out this game cam for the Temu game cam. Got a little spot right here. Gonna put some out. And yeah, I got this camera. Let's see if we can make this work. There we go. I got this camera for $18 or $20. All right, let's open it up. Now I'm gonna come back with the pictures. It'll be a couple of weeks, so bear with me. We do have a strap to strap it in. Let's see how this is gonna work. Okay, it's got the strap right there. This is the camera. Looks pretty good. And we have a USB cord, which I don't know what that's gonna be for yet, because I think it has to have a micro chip. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it already came. Dude, this was $20 and it came with a 32 gigabyte card. Crazy. I'm not looking for anything crazy big, but anyway. Alright, so let's see. It does have a USB, so you can hook it up to USB if you want to check the things without the memory card. But let's get this. Use AA batteries right there. AA. It's got all your controls right here too. So I'm gonna program this, and yeah. All right, so we got all 8 in there. We got a picture viewer. I'm gonna program it now. So it's actually pretty easy to set up. There's directions, but you don't really need them. It's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm gonna close it up and put it on the tree. It also has video settings as well, but I'm just gonna do picture. But actually, the strap is really long, so you can go around a really big tree. So yeah, the resolution already looks pretty good. I got it, I think 8K, but we're gonna put it on. Close it up. Hang on. All right, so it even has a little locking, so if you want to lock it, which I don't know why you would, but anyway, it's pretty good. Gotta clean up my mess now, but we will see. There's my little camera right there. We will see how the pictures turn out. A couple weeks. All right, so a couple days later, we're gonna come checking it right now. See what we got. Well, that completes the video for the Temu testing of the wild game cam for under $20. You really can't beat it. Runs off batteries. Pictures to me seemed good enough, so I'm happy with it. Check it out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow me for some more. Later.